Hi, my name's Jon Kelley. I graduated from Arizona State University's West Campus in 2007 with a degree in communication. So after I graduated from Arizona State, I received a Fulbright scholarship to South Korea, where I studied for a little over a year there. I came back to Phoenix and I opened a coffee shop with a friend of mine, and we ran that coffee shop for about a year before I ended up going to law school and graduated from Duke in 2013 with my Juris Doctorate degree. This is a school with tremendous resources. I want to be taught by the best of the best. And that's what I found here at ASU. The more I read about faculty bios, the more it seemed like a good fit for me. College for me was one of the best times of my life, and I knew that at the time. I was keenly aware of the fact that this was a wonderful time I was having, and I didn't want it to end. So I got very involved with Young Life. My now wife and I, my wife went to ASU as well, hosted a dinner to raise money for AIDS in Africa, and we hosted that on campus here at ASU. The scholarship is great, but there are also a lot of extracurricular opportunities, and ASU set me up very well to engage in those activities, and as a result, I feel like I'm a much better rounded person. I think my message to prospective students and current students would be to go all in, to dive all in, and make the most out of every opportunity that ASU provides or offers. And if you take full advantage of those opportunities, you will be uniquely set up for success down the road.